Service is the National Weather Tornado warning for southeastern Massac County, Illinois, southeastern Polk County, Illinois, southwestern Livingston County, Kentucky, northwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, northeastern Graves County, Kentucky, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reedland, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Reedland around 11:15 a.m. Ledbetter around 11:20 a.m. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 8 and 20. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties, Massac and Illinois, and the following counties, Graves, Livingston, Marshall, and McCracken. A flood watch remains in effect until 1. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 62, effective until 4 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Saline, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 62 has been issued from 11:10 a.m. until 4 p.m. for the following county: Saline, Illinois. A tornado warning remains